If you want to create another investment website or you want to create a new investment website, here are the things you need to know to avoid getting your account banned, which means getting your hosting banned. So I'm going to be showing you 3 things you need to know anytime you want to create an investment website. So this stuff is going to help you and also protect your privacy in case you want to create an investment website. But before I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you're able to get a notification for that. You know that you may be wondering, what are those things I need to avoid to create my new investment site project? Most of you must have known this stuff, but if you're a newbie, I bet you didn't know this stuff, so you just need to kindly watch this video to the end. So I'm not going to be wasting much of your time here. So the first thing you need to do, you need to avoid a cracked script. Don't use a cracked script, because when you use a cracked script or you use a new script, so there is a loophole on that particular script which allow hackers to easily get access to your script and easily manipulate it. So I'm not advising you to use a cracked script when creating an investment website. You can either get it from the direct source, or if you have a trust reseller person that that sells it like the original script, you can also get it from that. But downloading all these cracked scripts online, I'm not giving you an advice for you to be able to do that in case of next time. So if you have been doing it, I advise you to stop doing that. Get it from the direct source, or you get it from the author, or you get it from your dealer which you trust. So that is going to reduce the chances of getting your site hacked. So the second one is when buying your domain name, there are some things most of you ignore, like adding domain privacy. Like this is very important. If you want to purchase a domain name, especially for an investment website, you need to add a domain privacy. Let me just explain what this domain privacy means. Which once you purchase a domain privacy on your domain name, this means that all your information attached to that domain will be blocked. Let me say, when they go to a lookup site or lookup domain websites to analyze your domain, they are not going to be seeing any of your information. So let me just quickly give you an example of this now. So let me just switch to this. So let me just use this site now. So this is a lookup domain site now. So let me just quickly analyze my domain name and then show you what I meant. So which is xanderblog.com. So this is my domain name now, and there is no protection, there is no IP protection in this. So now when they analyze this domain, they are going to be seeing my information in this domain. So just wait for it to load. All right, so look at my domain name here now, and this is the domain name. So if you come to this registrar contact now, which means the person that registered the domain, so you can see that there is nothing here. You can only see all this information here. So my information is not here, even though the admin contact, which is my own too, nothing is here. And again, nothing is here just because I use an IP protection when purchasing the domain name. I use an IP protection when purchasing the domain name. So to this now is going to reduce sending a spam email to your inbox, because if you leave it blank and you don't purchase this IP protection, your email is going to be displaying here, your phone number, your country, and all that. So all of them, they are going to be displaying. So now for the thing you just need to do, you just need to if you are getting your domain name for let me say host Africa, you can just check it, just check this stuff, and just this is it here now. So this is the domain protection and domain privacy in their own. So you can either call it domain protection or domain privacy. So you just need to check it and add it. So this week, like this platform, they are going to charge you about, let me say, just close to 7,500 naira just per year for you to be able to protect your information and all that online. So but if you want to use Namecheap, I think they're offering it for free on Namecheap. If you're planning to use other platform, it may be more cheaper than this one. So now the next stuff you need to do now, after you purchase your your domain name and add your IP protection or domain privacy whatsoever. So once you have added it and purchased your domain name and you have already and everything, so the next thing you need to do, you need to use a CDN network. Like Cloudflare is recommendable. So why you use this CDN network is for you to also protect. Let me just quickly show you here now. So if you come to my domain name now, you are going to be seeing my name saver, and this is the platform that I'm using for this particular domain name here now. So I'm using this platform for this domain name, so they can easily detect the server that you are using. They can easily detect the server that you are using. But if you are using a Cloudflare, which is a CDN network, you are going to be seeing their name saver here now, because you just need to change their name saver, and I'm not going to be showing you how you can be able to change your domain name saver. You can either wait for my next video, or you check another channel for how you can be able to set up Cloudflare on your website. So once they're checked, they are going to be saying Cloudflare, and the Cloudflare is is good when you want the speed of your site, and also is security. If you want to protect your site for to give it more security and all that, so using Cloudflare on your platform or your website is very much recommendable. So once you use your domain IP protection and you change, you set up Cloudflare on your website, let me just put it like this, I guarantee you that let me just say you now have 80%, for your domain or for your hosting not to get banned. But it depends on the platform, the hosting platform you're using. If you want to know which hosting platform that you can use, to avoid getting banned when you want to create an investment website or to suspend your cPanel account, you just need to check the link on my description, or you just need to click the link above this video right now for you to be able to know the kind of hosting and the best hosting for you to use to start creating your investment website. So this is all for this video. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that.